Welcome to Rows and Tests and Quizzes. Total questions, 10. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Answer will be displayed after 10 seconds. You may pause the video if you need more time to read and answer. Wish you all the best. One-word substitution quiz. One-word substitution is the use of one word in place of a wordy phrase in order to make the sentence structure clearer. The meaning, with the replacement of the phrase, remains identical, while the sentence becomes shorter. So, let's begin. Correct option is B. Veteran. Correct option is C. Archives. Correct option is A. Unequivocal. Correct option is A. Parody. Correct option is B. Audience. Correct option is D. Assassination. Correct option is C. Misogynist. Correct option is C. Toothsome. Correct option is A. Honorary. Correct option is B. Obsolete. What is your score? Please comment down.